Hi, I'm Henry.
Hi, I'm Natalie.
And welcome to our home.
Our 5 favourite things about our home are the garden. We've got a lot of space out there. We have some horses which back onto the field, and it's just a great space for the kids to roam around. It reminds me of summer.
So it's great to be outside with the kids and enjoy the sunshine, rain, muddy gardens. Number 2 is the playroom for me. I enjoy spending time in there with the kids and watching them laugh and have a lot of fun.
Number 3, I would say the main bathroom, because at bath time, it's always an adventure in there with the girls. Lots of bubbles, lots of giggles, lots of laughter. It's just a really nice time for the family to be together.
Number 4 would be the kitchen. It's the hub of the house, everyone's always in here. Food on the floor, food over their faces. It's a real enjoyment, but cleaning up is not the funnest.
Number 5, I would say the girls' bedrooms. It's where we go to wind down, we read our books, we have our bedtime routine. It's a really special time just to have one-on-one time with each child and have a little nap.